Building on the success of the 2025 Vieux Fort Fishing Complex cleanup, Coconut Bay Beach Resort and Spa organized a tree planting activity in celebration of Earth Day 2026. Several local partners, including pace setters, came together to assist in this restoration. Aline Regis, communications specialist for the Southeast Coast Project, emphasized that the mangrove is of crucial importance not only to Saint Lucia, but the wider region.
We have to recognize that this is of importance to all of Saint Lucia. So presently we are at Ma Kote Mangrove, which is also very close to Coconut Bay. So we're very, very happy that Coconut Bay recognized that, you know what, we have to do something to help efforts at ensuring that this mangrove remains. It's the biggest mangrove that we have in the OECS. Now, mangrove has the ability to absorb 4 times the amount of carbon than any other plant, right? So we have a very, very important mangrove area at Ma Kote. And so Coconut Bay, like I said, as a good corporate partner, good corporate citizen, has recognized that we have to do something about it. So they learned that the Southeast Coast Project is doing restoration at Ma Kote, so came on board and assisted and is assisting us right now.
John Miles, General Manager of Coconut Bay Beach Resort and Spa and Serenity at Coconut Bay, was also on site assisting with the mangrove restoration. He explained that the tree planting activity forms part of the resort's continued commitment to environmental stewardship following last year's cleanup of the Vieux Fort Fishing Complex.
We have a partner with us, the environmental persons that take care of the mangroves, and every month we actually give them buckets to actually do seedlings so they can actually replant. And we realized that this year when we did a site inspection, we saw the condition of the mangrove and realized that, hey, they don't have enough manpower or hands to actually do the replanting. And that's why we this year decided that we're going to come out and do this.
He also committed to future tree planting efforts, noting the resort's vulnerability to weather impacts.
When I did my research, it's close to 7 acres that has been destroyed. And we can't plant 7 acres in one day. So the initiative is to actually move forward, give a helping hand to actually get all the seedlings, because they have over 1,000 seedlings sitting down that's not been planted.
Monica Smith-Carolyn, Executive Assistant at Coconut Bay Beach Resort and Spa, stated that due to the resort's proximity to the mangrove and its commitment to corporate social responsibility, the team was pleased to organize the activity.
You may have realized that there's quite a few children that are here with us. We need to let the community know how our actions impact the environment and what we can do to restore that. And today's activity is a sentiment of that. And it shows that everyone is committed to sustaining the earth.
Elsa Joye, administrator of the ABC Funhouse Early Learning Center, expressed her pleasure in once again partnering with Coconut Bay Beach Resort and Spa on a meaningful community initiative.
Just the thought of coming to Ma Kote Mangrove that I have visited many, many years ago, and I looked forward to coming back. And as you can see in the back of us, the amount of trees that have died due to nature, not enough water, the place is dry. So it took nothing out of myself and my team from ABC Funhouse to come and help plant the trees, because we know the importance of the mangrove in our ecosystem in Saint Lucia. And knowing that this is one of the biggest mangroves in the Caribbean, it makes me feel good to be here and to partner with Coconut Bay, who always take a good initiative to do something in the south of the island.
And that wraps up our Earth Day 2026 tree planting activity. Special thanks to everyone who made this possible. For Coconut Bay Beach Resort and Spa, Chrissy Bakey reporting.